about integrity. A person who has integrity is someone who shows kindness, honest, and fairness, and practices those things in
every day.
And practices those things in every way.
And every day.
And every day. For example, a person that has integrity. For example, a person that is nice one day and tricks and teases people another day does not have integrity. But a person who always does the right thing, that person does have integrity. So if you are kind,
truthful,
honest and fair, and you act that way every day, pretty soon people see you as a person with integrity. And that is a super goal to aim for. That's the power of integrity. We have a day for you!
we want
We want
you to practice
you to think of ways of how you can act with integrity in your classroom and in school. Remember, integrity means being kind, truthful, honest, and fair each and every day.
Okay, so we've had some birthdays. We've had Muhammad Isa, Akil Ganda, Tivu, Samuel Matini, and Gopal Padiachi. Happy birthday, boys. I hope you've had a wonderful birthday. Now, certificates. Are you boys ready? Ready? Okay. Bedavia. Klamulu Shikwambana for his wonderful show and tell. Trevor Weldon for his adventurous thinking in pirates taking over the school. Andrew Costa for completing his tasks with focus and perseverance, and Zayan Musa for knowing his pure rules. Well done, boys. Okay, next we have Galahad. We have William Jewell for his excellent effort and awesome attitude in all school areas. Well done, Will. We have Samuel Warman for always giving of his personal best. We have Douglas Backhouse for perseverance and grit shown in written tasks. Well done, Dougie. And we have Luca Capra for diligence and his writing and his handwriting. Well done, Galahad boys. Now we have Lancelot. We have Kai Rikotoso for his amazing manners. We have Owen Gaffney for writing beautifully in cursive. Jeremiah Masambo for being a kind and helpful friend. And Suvan Sharma for perseverance and a positive attitude towards his work. Well done, boys. Now lastly we have Tristram. There's a lot of certificates. We have Ina Makaleva for working hard from home on his 3D shapes. We have Kimo Matsoso for being kind and helpful in the classroom. Zia Muhammad for a wonderfully written acrostic poem on pirates. Zayan Khan for his impeccable manners and kind heart. Akka Jangara for his bubbly, positive and caring vibe in the classroom. Ranto Randria Malala, I'm sorry Ranto, if I got your surname wrong, for working so hard within the classroom. I can be so proud of you, your teacher has said. We have Cameron Harverman for his improved focus and concentration while working at his stations. Christian Euster for wonderful creative writing. And lastly, not lastly, Ethan van der Merwe for completing all his tasks on time. Mohammed Zaidan Garda, oh my goodness, lots of Tristram boys. Mohammed Zaidan Garda for original works of art, and Itumeleng Mafoko for emulating Pridwin values. Well done, boys!